Hello everybody, it's Bridget and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I'm sure all of you know, BlackPink just released a new music video in collaboration with Selena Gomez called Ice Cream. Oh my gosh, I love BlackPink and I love this new music video. It's so cute. I just love all the pastel colors and the bright clothing, and there were all sorts of really cute makeup looks. Like, let's just take a moment to appreciate how awesome they all were. I got so inspired by all these adorable makeup looks, so I thought that we would do a really colorful, ice creamy look together today. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. One of the main points of this makeup look is that it has like fun, colorful accents, but it's not over the top. It doesn't look too made up, if that makes any sense. We're just seeing fun, playful pops of color. And this is paired with a more natural but still perfected skin. K-Beauty is all about having fresh and radiant skin, so I've already thoroughly moisturized and applied my skincare. Next, of course, I'm gonna fill in my pores with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. Next, I'm going to prep again with the Morphe Luminous setting spray so that we both create a barrier for the makeup to stick onto, and so that we create a more radiant base for our foundation to sit on top of. Now I'm just color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Chanel Vitalumiere Aqua. The reason why I love this product is because it's a really nice medium coverage foundation. It's very smoothing, doesn't create texture on the skin, and that's something I find that really annoys me with foundation. I'm really picky about foundations because I find most formulas just leave a really nasty finish on the skin. And I'm just patting the second layer of coverage on top, because if I go like that, it might just like mess everything up, so. Now let's conceal with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now I'm just blending this out with my finger. Don't apply too much concealer for this look because we're trying to create a more natural K-Beauty feel. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Coty Airspun powder and also the areas around my nose where I'm going to contour later. Now I'm going to contour my cheeks, nose, and jaw with Anastasia Beverly Hills Fawn. I love you, cuckoo koala. The only thing this contour is functioning as is a way to shape our face and make it appear smaller. We're not trying to be snatched. We're not trying to create this super chiseled effect. We just want our face to have a little bit of dimension. Now you see how that makes such a big difference, but it's not. When you look at me in the mirror, you can't even really tell it's there. That's what we want. And I'm contouring my jaw because my face has like a stronger jaw. If you don't have a strong jaw and your face has more of like a V-line shape, then you could skip that step altogether. And now we've reached that time of the video where I do my brows and first eye off camera. So I'll see you in a second. Welcome back, everybody. And you see I have eye number 1 all finished up. I kind of took a little inspiration from a bunch of the different looks in the music video and came up with this, and it matches my top really well too. Let's go ahead and make all of this beautiful magicness match on this side. First, I'm going to prime with the P. Louise eye base in Rumor 1. Obviously, I think Probably one of the best palettes to use for this look would be the Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star, because, I mean, hello, there's lots of bright colors, but then there's also a lot of these pastel tones as well. I mean, you could recreate Jenny's exact look with this palette. First, I'm gonna apply Brain Freeze to the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm gonna take bubblegum and apply this under the eye. Next, I'm going to take Gumdrop and apply this between the pink and the blue under my eye. Next, I'm going to dip into the Escape Pod palette from Kaleidos, and I'm going to use this color Carnival to create a base where we're going to apply purple on top of later to create a warmer tone. And taking the Kaleidos palette again, I'm gonna dip into Mardi Gras and apply this over the orange. Next, I'm going to dip into bubblegum again and apply this very gently over the edges of this purple so that we can diffuse it. Next, I'm going to dip into Good Morning and continue to diffuse that purple. Make sure that when you're blending, you're not just like going all over the place, because we're trying to create this V kind of wing with the shadow. Now I'm going to dip into Sour and apply this to the blank space in between the blue and the purple. Taking the Kaleidos palette again, I'm going to use Galactic Gala and apply this over the green. Now I'm just blending the purple and green together so that we don't have any harsh lines. And I'm just taking bubblegum again and really emphasizing the pink down here. Oh, I love this look. Oh, yes. I'm very much enjoying this BlackPink inspired makeup tutorial. Now, if you're gonna apply crystals, you can always do that after you're done with lashes and mascara and stuff, but I'm gonna do it before because I just think it makes it a little easier. I'm gonna take a NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner and just mark where I want the crystal to go so I can make sure everything is symmetrical. Now, how I mark it is I line up where my pupil is and then I go straight down and then try to see where I placed the other one. Like right there. Kind of like when you go to Claire's to pierce your ears. Just put a little dot and stick the crystal there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now that we are complete with that fiasco, it is time to do eyeliner with, of course, the Maybelline Hyper Easy Eyeliner as usual. We're almost done! The only thing left to do is apply mascara off camera and we'll be done. And here's the eye makeup complete! Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh, look at the viewfinder, yes. Now, there was a lot of variation in the eye looks in the music video. Some were a lot more natural. There were a few statement eyes, especially like on Jenny, but the rest of the makeup tended to be very natural with a peachy tone. So that's what we're gonna do today. For blush today, I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Captivating and apply this to the center of my cheeks very lightly. Now using the Laura Geller Gelato Swirl Illuminator, I'm gonna highlight my cheeks in the color Peach Glow. Don't get too crazy with this, just enough to where you can see the color. To give our peachy nude lips a good base, I'm gonna use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Stockholm. On top of that, I'm gonna apply this peachy Dior gloss. Before we call this look complete, we've got to spritz with the setting spray once again to add radiance back to the skin and to lock our makeup in place. And here we have the finished makeup! Oh my gosh, I love this look. I love the music video too. Like, I am so obsessed with BlackPink and their makeup always looks so great. I love it. And oh man, like, this look is so cute. But it's kind of glam too, you know? That's what I like about BlackPink. They have that cute Asian makeup vibe, but then, you know, they kind of have these like little pops of color and little, you know, surprises, and that's kind of what I wanted to do with the makeup look today. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And of course, we have now come to the time of the video where I must say goodbye. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!